In this question, we want to show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 12. We could do this by polynomial division, but it's quite time consuming. So instead, we'll use the factor theorem. The factor theorem states that if EA equals 0, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial. So in our question, this is our polynomial. We can call that px. When we compare the question to the theorem, we can see that we have x minus 3 and x minus a. So this is telling us that we need to use a equals 3 in our question. So what we need to do is show that P3 equals 0. So let's do that. We'll substitute in P3 into the question. So P3 equals 3 cubed minus 2 times 3 squared plus 3 minus 12. When we simplify, we'll get 27 minus 18 plus 3 minus 12. And simplifying that further, you can see that we get 0. So we can say that P3 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor of px. Thanks for watching.